parents, if there's one thing you need to learn from me tonight, it is the fact that the child that is in a panic state will not learn. Panic happens because our learners, whose brains are not fully developed yet, go into that fight or flight mode. It's hardwired into our genetics. It's a terrible thing. They don't know how to study because they are freaked out. And it has to stop. We have to teach them, no, calm down. If you read here, it says, here's the science behind it. Your brain has an alarm system called the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure that reacts to perceived threats. So it fires and it actually freaks them out. They cannot study. Look at this. Strange but true. Stress hormones can shrink working memory capacity by up to 30% in teenagers during exams. Your brain is not underperforming because you are lazy. It is underperforming because it believes it is in danger. That is a systems problem, not a character